Alright, so here we go. Okay, so at this point, I feel kinda tired of explaining every time what I've been doing on the previous stream and what I'm gonna do on the next stream, but at the same time, I have no idea what to do. So, like, maybe I can just straight jump into the work. Right? Yeah. But, okay, I still feel like maybe it at least helps me to like rewind what I have done. Okay, so the last problem was Tailwind Merge. And I figure out it's no longer a problem, I'll just install Tailwind Merge and don't care about it, right? Like, it's gonna be additional 8 kilobytes, which is basically the size of my current app. But like, I feel in this stamp, if I'll be like that picky, I'll just never finish the project, right? And that's not something I want. Can I? Okay, this was weird. So I have app running. Let's create new window. Clear. CD front end. Ban install. Nice. Clear. Let's stop everything. Exit. Next develop. Okay, good. Clear. Fish. Clear. Clear. Make dev. Nice. So now let's get back to my website and see how can I use it. So basically it's a function which takes first string and second string, and it like makes perfect sense. So here we are. I'm just using TV merge, base class, additional class, just like that. Remove this one. Looks pretty thick. Let's move here. Okay, let's not move here. Let's move the button. I have similar pattern here. I don't need final class. Oh, actually, wait a minute. Base. Just like that. Remove that. Right, how is it called here? Base class, additional class. Actually, custom class is better. Probably, yeah. Let's select custom class. Go back to button and use Tailwind merge here. TV merge. Base class. Custom class. Wait. Custom class. Unknown. It's not compatible. It has to be string, but isn't it a string? Could you please add more strong typing? So specifically mark that custom class is a string. How to string? Okay. Yes. Temperature 0.7. Run. Also, I'm curious. I guess if custom class is empty, right? That means TV merge, it will just work without it, right? It's optional. Yeah, it's like an array, so it doesn't matter. If it's gonna be only base class, it will return it back. so it's fine. Button props, class string. Key, string, oh no, interesting. So that's like basically a record. It's the same thing as it was before, but it's also saying that there is class. Key, string. What is this? Like, is it array? It's kind of weird to look at, but okay. What else has it changed? Oh, is it me who changed it? Yeah, my bad. Okay. This one is saved. Let's save this one. Is there a better way to write types in following component? Yes. Okay, so now as I already have, yeah, it works. So now I can change the color of the button. However, wait a minute. File view, habit card, inline create habit form, button default BG natural, hover BG natural, 700. Wait, why it doesn't work? When I hover, it's like not 700. 600? I don't know. It should work. Wait, that's so weird. 500. Okay, so apparently this one works, but... Damn, that's weird. What I want? Yeah, I want to go here. Excellent question. Okay, the main opportunity for improvement is to avoid manually defining common HTML attributes and instead extend the existing types that TypeScript provides for HTML elements. Hyperrep JS6 HTML attributes file. Wait, that's what I have here right now. Records. ID label, native input, omit inputs label. Oh, so that's input props label ID. The rest object here is already contains all valid input attributes. This includes all the standard HTML attributes like on click, disable, type, placeholder, etc. This gives you a much better type checking after completion for your input component. Is it really? Is there such thing? Hyper app. Okay, I guess I can do it that way, right? Hyper app. Wait, I have to import it, right? Differently. Wait, no, I don't. Wait, that's so weird. That's not how it works. Can I find namespace? Yeah, because I have to import. Wait. Type. G6. There is no such thing. It clearly hallucinates things. Okay, let's leave it as it is. It works, so it works. However, button. Why button doesn't work? Enabled. Hover. Oh, that's how I should do it. Wait, where is button? Add habit card. Yep, here we go. Hover BG natural. Enabled. How do I... wait. Enabled. Right. Let's check it out. Okay, it works. Yes. What it was? 300? No, not really. 800? Yeah, probably, yeah. And here it's gonna be like 700. And text is white. Damn, this one pops so much more than the text than the button on the right. which is kind of frustrating. Natural 300. It's better. It definitely is better. Maybe let's make it like basically transparent. Okay, it doesn't look good. It ain't looking good. I mean, when you hover, it's good, but keep it that way and then make it enabled hover text natural 200. So that's okay, almost invisible change. Let's make it 100. Should not be that subtle. Okay, it's still really subtle. I mean, it's not like on the regular button it's highly visible, it's still really subtle, which may be good. But there's also like different kind of highlights, which I don't like. Okay, so let's abandon text change idea for now. What if I'll do it other way around? It's probably not gonna look good, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's leave it as this. Oh, wait a minute. Can I do... Wait. No, there is no such thing as 750. I have to create my own colors. I don't like Tailwind colors. There's actually like I've using some like palette for my website, right? How do I go back? So here it is, and then you can use it as a like base for this website too, right? It will also be a good opportunity to improve it. Now, like my chair has broken here. It's like the piston on it doesn't work anymore. Like I've been sitting and it basically just, I don't know, compressed and can't uncompress anymore. So right now I have to sit in such an uncomfortable position. It's so frustrating. But it is what it is. Okay. Let's move back. Yeah. Okay, so we can create new habits. New habit, lock today. Okay, she's something more than only adding, than just adding. Bin. Oh, it was it in, damn, was it? It probably was in commit history, right? Fuck. Can I remove it? Okay, not this one. CD git log. Proper hot reloading for the dev environment. Let's ask Gemini. I accidentally added binary to the previous commit. Is there any way to carefully remove it while preserving all the other changes? You have not pushed the commit to remote repository. Git remove cached, paste to a binary. Remove the binary file from the staging area. First you need to remove, okay. Okay, I guess I added it to git ignore, so I'm not sure if it's gonna stay there. Bin. What's removing? R. Yeah, let's remove it too. Git rm bin. Also it, wait. Am I tripping? Wait. Oh, it's git. Okay, git. Oh wait, it was git. Never mind. It's actually git. Amend the previous commit. I also have some other changes added at the same time, which I want to commit into different commit. Is it like how I say it? Is it git stash? Probably is. Something says me it is git stash. Interactive rebase. Fuck, no, please, no. What is the commit for editing? Let's open VS Code actually. I mean, at least I can visually see what I'm doing. Because I still don't feel really confident. Codium. Not Coium. Open recent, peakstreak. So here we have staged changes. Also, I have only this one here. Nice. Nice, so I can git add. Or I can just git commit. And manipulate it. Clear. Yeah, that should just work, I guess. Postgres log. Okay, I don't really care. Git add all. Actually, let me check one more time. I guess it's fine. Git commit. Client add tailwind merge and fix custom component custom classes, I guess. Components custom classes. Or is it like component custom classes? I don't like care. Clear. Yeah, that's it. Now let's copy everything and think what I really need right now, right? What like is a priority? Let's fix this one. It looks like not difficult. Right now, okay, there is a profile. Damn, where am I? In the sidebar, there is two links to users' own profile. One in the list of pages and one dedicated at the very bottom. Could you please remove one in the list and make it so after clicking the dedicated one, it will get floating pop-up. Do I need it actually? Wait a minute. Maybe I should make it just that. Yeah, actually. Make it so dedicated one has 3 dots menu on the right after clicking which user gets a floating pop-up with logout option, logout button in it. I guess it's good enough. Okay, it sounds pretty good. What if user have some insanely long username, right? What am I gonna do then? I guess I'll just like hide it, right? I'll just add 3 dots. I don't care. Like they'll have to click on it to see it, to hover it. Also, I have to add some nice profile here. Then I also want to create some little menu to be able to modify all tastes and habits. So let's see. Hello, Fares. Hello, hello. Have you plugged the keyboard? Knock knock with the chat. Yeah, I have. Like, sorry, I'm just like kind of floating around. So, like, there was nothing wrong with the keyboard. I basically just accidentally pressed reset twice, which basically like reset the keyboard. There was no firmware on it, and on the yesterday's stream I was just flashing the wrong firmware from the version 0.1 when I have 0.2, and when I flash it to version 2.0, everything just works, basically. How are you doing, my friend? Pretty good. Like honestly, not have done much today, right? Actually, like, it depends on how you think about it. Like, the half of today's day, I've been just chatting with Gemini about skincare routines, right? So I've decided like, I can put so much more effort into caring about my skin, right? And so I ordered some products for that. Okay, actually I won't open the website because there are like my personal credentials there. Damn, like I wrote it in a diary. So I bought all of these things. Damn, why I don't have markdown formatting? Like, this should be a list. Okay, that's something I should to fix. Yeah, and so like, that's it. I'm gonna get it all tomorrow and gonna use it for like some long time, and I'm curious about the results. I had a question yesterday. Is it habit tracker made for web? And are you gonna publish it on web? Yeah, it's basically, I mean, it's website, if I understand you correctly, right? So it's for web. And I think, I hope, I don't know, like, I feel it has some interesting idea. It's interesting idea which might, like, gain some popularity, I don't know, not popularity, maybe some, like, some, I don't know, community, I don't know how to say it, it's like, not game-changing idea, but something that can take it niche, right? It's niche. So basically it's like a social platform based on habits. So this is my like profile, and you can basically check my profile and all my habits and what I have done and what I have not done. Also I want like to be able to allow user to create some templates for habits, and when you visit the platform you can basically not come up with something else, you can just find the most useful habits people like created, the list, and just choose one and participate with another people, and you will have like leaderboard for particular habits, right? There is a problem, like the first problem I recalled with it is that I can basically just mark all days as done, right, and don't care if I really do them and be the top of the leaderboard. But I have this idea of making a trust system when it's like, in addition to followers, there are gonna be people who trust you, so you have to visit the profile and press trust, and like trust is gonna be points, like in games, which you have to earn, and the more trust you have, the more you will be higher in leaderboard, something like that. And I mean, it sounds pretty cool. I hope, like, it's something I hope to put first in my portfolio, right? So I'm gonna publish it. I need to be first user, that's my quest. Okay, like, I'm sorry to tell, but I'm probably gonna be the first user, right? Like, I don't want to upset you. But we can do that, You can be the second user. First real user, come on. Okay, you're gonna be the first real user. Supposedly I'm the fake user. I'm gonna be a twink. Yeah, I'm your twink. My eyes gonna burn, I'm gonna be like, okay. What I've been doing? Yeah, I've been chatting with Gemini. So I got this code. Types state components. The add menus open close state. The implement visual. Actually, I want to another component for that, but we'll explain it later. Types, front end. Save. State. Sidebar. Okay, just like that. This one is huge. Profile menu. This one is huge. Where was? Damn, it looks so cool. It looks so cool. Wow, AI is something else. Like. Okay, never mind. What I got, like. It was. Okay, I think it can be easily fixed. But still, it's so good. Damn, it's so good. Damn, it's so good. However, at the same time, I feel like there's way too little space for username, right? Like, my username is pretty like concise. So I'm not sure if like any other username will fit. It probably won't. Which sucks. And making sidebar just bigger doesn't feel good. But maybe let's try it out. Sidebar. V64. Let's make it 96. Is it 96? Or is it 92? It's 96. Yeah. Okay, this one is way too big. Let's make it 80. Okay, this one is pretty good. It takes a large chunk of space, not gonna lie. Which feels uncomfortable. It feels weird. feels pretty weird. Anyway, like, that's something that's just polishing, right? That's like I can do at the end. Let's now proceed. Add everything. Oh, actually, I want to specify that I can't remove it. Okay, it looks pretty good, but I have several, but there are several problems. First of all, I want this pop-up to be a generic, actually it's separate generic component. And second, after clicking three dots, and then in any other space, any other, how do I call it, section of the screen, pop-up does not disappear, I guess. Which I guess something user would expect it to do. Could you please address that? Let's go. Okay, so it will sync for quite time, I guess. But wait, unknown click. Oh, never mind. Never mind. 7.4, 8, 6.9. Okay, so with introducing of Tailwind 4, the size has increased. Doesn't matter actually. Oh, CL6. I know about this one. Do I actually need it? Can I? Okay, the question is, can it replace the Tailwind merge? So it's like a conditional class builder, right? No, it will not. It will not. It has the other purpose. It's all like I can make I can make add additional parameters to the button. For instance, ghost equals true false, and for instance color equals, I don't know, red, green, blue, right? And so I can combine them in a particular way then when I have to use such library. And it's like 300 bytes. I can just basically copy the one function. Why do I need to import it? Yeah, one thing I'm more interested in is lit HTML, but I'll check it later. After doing this one. Pop up. It's not assignable to type Vinode as null as extend. Wait, Vinode as wait. Extends the wait. What the hell is that? Wait. State. It's so weird. Wait, why would you do that? State. Or no? It can return no? What the hell? How it can... Wait. On click, props on close. Props is open. Okay, that becomes complicated really quickly. Actually, is it really? So it's local state, isn't it? It's not actually, I pass it in. I got props, is open. Props, on close. On click. Cannot find. State. Damn, it's kinda really weird. Why there is like this S extends state? S. Okay, let's just copy everything and feed it to Gemini. Yeah, let's just build it. Cd front end, ban, run, build. Here we go. Damn, this chair is unusable, like... It feels so wrong, it feels like... How do I even show it? Like, my elbows are no longer at the level of the table, right? So like, I have to like type that way, it feels weird, like how do I explain it? I can't, like my English capability just can't keep up with my thought process. Like I'm thinking much faster than I am able to speak. And as a result, yeah. You run into a classic TypeScript generic issue. Okay. Copy. Why there is S extends? The component remains generic over S. Actually, that's not what I meant when I said generic. I would like to use I would like it to use plain state type instead. Okay, my bad. Yeah, my bad. Oh, this is the wrong one. WTF. Okay, good. Yeah, that looks reasonable. Props on close. So, it has one. Okay, let's just check it out. Okay, good. Now pop-up just doesn't appear no matter how much I click the 3 dots button. Actually, I want to find out these props on close. So where do I use pop-up sidebar? Pop-up on close, close profile. Menu. State, is profile menu open? False. Toggle profile menu, close profile menu. That's kind of weird. However, no, probably not weird. It's okay if it to be that way. But let me go back on click. This is the actual pop-up. We stop click propagation here to start clicking. Wait, div. This is full screen transparent overlay catches clicks outside the pop-up. Makes sense. Fix insert 0, z0. The pop-up wasn't appearing because its position was being calculated related to the entire screen. The viewport inside pop-up. Oops, my bad. Wait a minute. How do I do it? Oh, because it was copied. Never mind. Okay, so it just works. Sidebar. Let's take this one. On click. Close profile menu. Log out, no. Wait. What exactly is... Wait. On click. Execute function which takes state. This one is not effect, right? Yeah, that's why we just call it and then we just pass an effect. Log out, no. Wow, I have already 64k tokens in this chat. Insane. I mean, okay, never mind. App takes 30k tokens, right? So it's like 30k of generated tokens, not 64. The problem with the on-click handler for the logout button, I was trying to manually combine the close profile menu action with logout action, which is not the correct pattern, and resulted in the type error. The solution is much simpler. The logout action already resets the entire application state, including to false, therefore we only need to log out. Okay. So you say, you're saying I have to do it that way? As a good, but Valos never read. Will it do the same thing? Oh, wait. Oh, just like that. Okay. Oh, it works. Yes, this one's kinda cursed. Maybe not really, actually. Maybe it's okay. That I can't press anything else while it's active, right? So you have to like double tap. It's okay, I guess. Actually. Clear git add all git commit add proper UI, proper sidebar, profile, menu. Undefined. Wow. Oh god. Exim. Okay, let's proceed. Let's copy everything. Create new chat. Could you please add what? Okay, so I want to add, oh my bad, additional functionality to modify habit cards, right? Basically habits, locks. And I think what is gonna be the most elegant way to do that? How I'm gonna represent it in UI? Should I just like the thing that comes to my mind is to add one bar here. Here is gonna be called like habit list, and here is gonna be some like, I don't know, 3 dots menu. You click and then you like select edit, and then you can like basically click on the days to change the lock state. This rice about be amazing. I'm gonna eat it, bro. Rice, mushrooms, beef, and like, oh, it sounds so delicious, man. I'm kinda jealous. Some yogurt sauce. Okay, yogurt sauce sounds extra, not gonna lie. It sounds excessive. Not excessive, what is the right word? Extra is probably the best word. Not extra is like, it has no negative color in it, right? Add freshness? Nah, man, I don't know. Yogurt sauce is the best part of it. I can lie. Okay, maybe I don't. Like, I never tried, but it sounds suspiciously bad. You know? But I don't know, like. Other than that, I've not been eating mushrooms for a long time already. I really love mushrooms. Anyway, so I guess. Bon appetit. Is this how you say it? Probably yes. Okay, I don't like this scene that my UI shifts when I change the pages, and like the reason for that is sidebar. So right now, this page is scrollable, so I have sidebar. This page is not scrollable, so I have no sidebar, and everything shifts right. And that's disgusting. It's basically disgusting. I'm still Arab at the end of the day. We eat yogurt sauce 24/7. Okay, I didn't know that fact. Merci, my friends. Okay. Oh, my watches are running out of battery. It's kind of upsetting. Actually, I have to charge them because I'll go to shop soon, to supermarket. Yeah, what was? Oh, okay. So how do I do that? I already copied everything. Let's go to chat. Could you please add a small header on top, a small section on top of habit list for each profile page. In this section on the left, right, something like habit list, and on the right add button which will how do I say it properly? Which will enter the editing mode and will allow user to rename their habits and change log states by simply clicking on the squares inside of calendar. Okay, I guess that's it. Point 7, run. And now, my friends, that's called programming. I know, it feels weirdly uncomfortable. Like, it's so comfortable, it's really uncomfortable. You know what I'm saying? Like, it feels way too easy. Almost like I should not do it that way. Like, there is a catch, you know? There's something I'm missing. Maybe that's because, like, all my previous experiences coding with AI were not great. And at the end, I was always getting some shitty product which I was not able to manage. Because, like, I had no, like, I didn't know the code, right? And it felt like better to just rewrite everything. But maybe now I'm getting better that I can, like, understand how to carefully use this tool, right? Okay, nice. So it creates also backend APIs. That's what I need. That's actually what I need. So first of all, there is no endpoints for editing logs, right? That's what it's doing. Then it will proceed with front end. And front end is the most interesting part because I believe, like, what I've just asked is not a trivial task, and I'm 60% sure it's not gonna manage to do it in the first shot, right? But let's see. Okay, we got profile UTS. Why did it just stop? I hate it so much. Okay, let's rerun it. What can I do in the meanwhile? Let's create another user. Sign up. How do I call it? I will call it Faris. Faris at xsim.me. And password is gonna be absolutely the same. This patch is not a function. There's something I have to fix. Login. Faris. Okay, so we got Faris here. It tries. Log today. Okay, looks pretty good. I guess this one looks pretty good. Now, what I can do? I can go here and type xsim. Okay, it works. So I can see my own profile. Nice, nice. Okay, how long it will take? It already syncs for 2 minutes straight. And it's just syncing without generating anything. I mean, without generating the actual output. Which, by the way, is really impressive. Like, I can remember just half a year ago that was impossible, and like models were syncing for like 10-20 seconds. So this is really impressive. Damn, it's almost 3 minutes right now. Wow, here we go. Well, how long it was? How long it took? It took 276 seconds to generate everything. Which is really impressive. And I hope it just works. I don't want to debug it, please. Types. What we got here is editing. Okay, pretty good start. API. Put, okay. Pretty good. State. Okay, damn, state file is pretty long. Okay, not really. Never mind. Forget what I just said. Actually, why my terminal is so small? Okay, just like that. So, what do we get here? It's editing. New state. Set view. It's loading. Okay. It's editing false. Okay. Update habit log. Turn state is loading for state profile. Okay, I mean. Folks. Okay, maybe. I mean, looks kinda legit. Update habit name. Okay, just hope it's right. It's gonna be hope-driven development. We just hope it's right. Toggle edit mode. Okay, looks good. Then what is this div? Toggle habit lock fx. Update habit name fx. Okay, I see. Profile view. This one should be big. Or is it? Let's check it out. Paste. Table. Okay, so I can click on it. Habit card. On blur. There is no such thing as on blur. On name change. Okay, I'll build and just feed it to Gemini and let them figure it out. Routes. No, wait a minute. Let's go. almost died there. Okay, rolls that go. Now, handlers. What exactly is the problem here? Update habit? Okay. Okay, let's just test everything and see if it works. Service. Here we go. Repository. Update habit, okay. Postgres. Could you please also update service test.go accordingly? Okay, this one's pretty fast. CD frontend, make, oh, not make, my bad, run build. Here we go, copy it. Run. Actually, I can delete previous message. It will clear context and make it easier for them to think. Damn. I'm so low, like literally, like physically I'm so low. So this one is profile view, right? Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. It's profile view. Is there such thing as in Blur? Yes, there is. Also, it's a build in, right? It's a build one. Build. Yeah. Wow. Wait. Edit. Wow, it works. No way. Actually, no way. Wow. Wow, actually, no way. Wow. I mean, it was a pretty complex task. which requires a lot of like small changes in different places. And like Gemini just nailed it. Actually, no, I will do it backwards. How do I do that? Okay, it's gonna be kinda difficult, but okay. Is it how you write? Yeah. Okay, pretty good. Pretty good. I like it. Bam. Done. So now I can log out. Go to Exim. Right, and then I can visit another user with Faris. Damn, it's so cool. Actually so cool. It looks kinda like H, which I don't really like. Actually, I have much more space than that, I can remove it. Okay, removing is kinda tedious, but whatever. I just want to play a little bit. It's just so good. Okay, so let's do it properly. So it's gonna be like... How it's gonna look like? Probably... No, not like that. Like that, I guess. Right? That's another van here. Wow. Truly wow. There's some really wow here. Yep. Is there anything that can go wrong? I hope there is nothing. Nothing bad here. Okay, front end looks pretty good. Let's check handlers. So we got this update habit handler. Right? How does it work? Name, string, update habit request. Name. But what about logs? Wait. Oh, log habit. I see. What about unlock habit? Is there such thing? Let's go from the bottom. Postgres. Update habit. Update habit set name where ID. Okay. There is nothing more. So there was already a possibility to how do I say it? To uncomplete the habit, the log. Or it is create user. Get user by name, get users, get user, create habit. Get habit by user ID. Get habit by ID. Update habit. Absurd habit log. What does absurd mean? That's a new word for me. Absurd. It's like insert but absurd. Absurd operation in database is a combination of update and insert. Oh, I see. It attempts to update an existing record based on the specified condition, and if no matching record is found, it inserts new record. Yeah, this provides a convenient way to ensure data consistency by either modifying existing data or adding new data in single operation. And do I have like boolean here? So it basically I can choose what to set it to. Status. Values. ID, habit, log, status. Yeah, so I can change it. Pretty good. It's pretty sweet. Repository. Yeah, update habit. So they just add name update here. Name, update habit, get habit ID. User access denied. Okay, update habit. Okay, pretty good. Test. Update habit. Whoa, that's some serious amount of testing. Success. Access denied. Okay. Routes. Habit ID. Update habit. Put. Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. Handlers. Yeah, I was there. I was here. So, get habit ID, UID parse, update habit request, JSON parse, validate struct, get ID from context, user ID, okay. Params, name, update habit, okay. Damn, it looks so legit. Approved. Clear. Git add all, git commit, profile, allow user to modify past habits, probably existing habits and logs, just like that. Git, oh, actually not git push, there's no way to push. And now git log. Damn, it's pretty good. Oh, it was like only 3 days? I achieved that only in 3 days? Damn, that's impressive. No, I probably did something between 19 and 21. Still, it's kinda good. It's pretty good. I'm gonna lie. But okay, that's enough for now because I want to poop so hard. I barely